Hi, my name is Chan Ka Mun. Today, I'm here to present my Design Studio 2 final presentation. We are required to design a house for an artisan. For me, the purpose of building this building is to build a dream place for my client, Lat, a 69 years old cartoonist, to spend his precious time doing his interest, which is creating comics without being disturbed. So this is Lard, and this is his current house. I've chosen one of Lard's famous concept, which is remain original. I would like to start off with something my client Lard, which is familiar with comic boxes, and the harmony combination of element can also convey the idea of combo, which also reflects back my client's personality. As you can see, this is the initial floor plan, and this is the initial model. I get some inspiration from this building. It's called the deck house. This is a very traditional model, but it was built with very modern materials. So, based on my understanding, Lat, when he was young, his childhood is spent in Kampong, which is a village, a Malay village. Yeah. So, when we talk about relate back to remain originality, not just about the design of the building. It's very important to create a building that reminds Lat back of his childhood and old times kind of life. I did some research about Malay traditional house. So Malay traditional house usually use lightweight materials such as wood and other materials to lower down the thermal capacity. Besides, Malay traditional house is very famous with their cross ventilation. It allows easy passage of air and good cross ventilation. It can be done by minimalizing the interior partitions. And then the ventilation at body level is also very crucial. It's the most vital area for ventilation of the comfort level. Okay, so it can be done by having a full length, fully open openings at body level. Glare control is also very important because it's used to prevent glare, and it can be done by control of large roof overhangs and low windows. And it can also be done by having a less reflective ground covers. The lighting level of Malay traditional house tends to be under light, and it gives the psychological effect of coolness. It can be done by having a lighter color paints. And for the overhang and exposed vertical area, large overhangs can also provide good shading and protect against driving rain. And for the low exposed vertical area, it allows window to left open most of the time. I have done this precedent study about a house called Stone House at Tavo, Italy. This is the details, and for the style, because this building is built starting from a pure simplicity of rectangular forms to more complex dynamic geometries after a few developments. So it's quite interesting. Okay, so these are the design strategies, and then this is the zoning and space planning, adjacency matrix, site plan, and this picture shows the wind orientation and sun path. And this is the site study and zoning. And then this is the census. There's positive and negative census. The spatial organization, I've chosen grid organization. Some of the characteristic of the site, it can be strength, weakness, and opportunity at the same time. A large flat area can be a better access to natural light and have an optimal natural ventilation, but it also boosts magnificent view, but at the same time, it may be a flood-prone area and unable to enjoy great views located far away. And for the opportunity part, the large flat area, as I said just now, it can boost magnificent view, enhance feelings of openness. It also can save cost of electricity because it helps to reduce the reliance on artificial cooling. There's also traits such algae bloom, and mosquito infestation. These are the advantages of and disadvantages of the solutions. This is a key plan showing the site, which is at Banting Putrajaya, Tadam Hill Resort, and the location plan. This shows the exact area of the site B. Okay, so this is the vehicle entrance, and this is the pedestrian entrance. This is the roof plan with a roof drop line, and these are the floor plan. Ground floor, as you can see, mezzanine floor, first floor. These are the elevations. North elevation, Based on this elevation, you can see there's a large curtain wall. For aesthetic views over Limestone Hill, there's a very aesthetic view of sunrise and sunset. And for the balcony, there's also an aesthetic view of the Crystal Lake. And these are the louvers. And then this is the ventilation block. And there's actually a folding door over here. So you can have a very good cross ventilation and very good airflow. So this is south elevation. Okay. This is east elevation and west elevation, as you can see the folding door. Yeah. These are section. There's section Y to Y and section X to X. Okay, so as you can see, this is section X to X. And then this is section Y to Y. And this is the sectional perspective. And this is the interior perspective and exterior perspective external metric. Okay, that is my presentation. Thanks for your patience. Thank you.